Hello everyone, once again you're on Serious Destination, your authentic herbal remedy and health solution. Before you watch this video, subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any important health tip or health solution. And always remember, Serious Destination is just equal to light of health. We just bring you the light to that darkness of disease in your system. So stay tuned and watch out for this one. Always with Serious Destination, we bring you the remedy and the things you can just get rid of, just stretching your hand. Immediately you stretch your hand, you get hold of whatever you need to get that your disease cured. It doesn't matter the name of the disease, it doesn't matter how dangerous the disease is, it doesn't matter whatever the disease. The moment Serious Destination mention that disease name, that disease can be cured, then you should know that that disease had met its light. Watch out for this video for the most powerful combination all around us, which we neglect and which is virtually perfect and good for solving a lot of diseases we experience and we encounter. Now with this video, you are just going to know some 3 ingredients very common to us, their nutritional values and what they do to the system and what they do individually and what they do when they are being combined. And the same video, you are just going to look at some health benefits or health solutions you will get from combining these ingredients. Example is the ulcer, example is that fat disturbing your system, example is that cold, the headache, the heart attack, the heart problems, the blood cleaning, the sexual weakness, your kidney failures, and a lot more that you will get from this video. So automatically watching this video in one way or the other, you will get your benefit, and someone next to you will also get their benefit by sharing the video. Subscribe to the channel and we are good to go every day. You may have heard about garlic, ginger and lemon in different occasions and for different purposes, whether individually or combining the two. With just using one or combining two, you got a lot of physical and spiritual benefit out of it. Now, have you thought of combining all these 3 ingredients to perform just one goal? Have you ever wondered the kind of benefit you would derive from combining ginger, garlic and lemon? And the truth of the matter is that when you combine garlic, ginger and lemon, it becomes another story altogether. Now, ginger, garlic and lemon make a powerful combination that can help you eliminate unwanted fat from all parts of the body. This natural remedy is not only amazing for losing body weight or losing body fat, but also efficient for treating a wide range of ailments ranging from cold and flu to fatty liver and high cholesterol. By consuming the combination of these 3 powerful fat-burning ingredients, you can lose a significant amount of weight in a very little time. Before we talk about everything, let's highlight some few benefits of their individual qualities. Now, this is a garlic, just as you see on the screen. We have the peeled and the unpeeled garlic. Now, the local name is the garlic and the scientific name is the Allium sativum. Its nutritional value per 100 gram is the protein, the carbohydrate, the dietary fiber, sugars, fat, saturated fatty acid, then some vitamins contained in the garlic. We have the niacin, also known as vitamin B3. We have the pantothenic acid, also known as vitamin B5. We have the riboflavin, also known as vitamin B2. We have the vitamin B6, then we have the vitamin C. The same garlic we have the vitamin E, then we have the vitamin K, we have the vitamin B1, that is the thiamine, then we have the potassium, we also have the sodium, then we have the folate, DFE. And as you can see, their nutritional values and their percentage of RDA, that is the recommended dietary allowance, is on the screen and in the table. Then let's talk about some minerals contained in the garlic. We have the magnesium, we have the phosphorus, we have the selenium, we have the zinc. The garlic contains calcium. It also contains copper. The same garlic contains iron with their nutritional values and their percentage of RDA per 100 grams. And let's talk about the phytonutrients contained in the garlic. The garlic contains the carotene beta and also contain the lutein, zeaxanthin, and their nutritional values. Now let's talk about the health benefit of garlic alone, whether using it as a remedy, eating raw garlic a day, or eating raw garlic every day, using it as an ingredient in your food and everything. Its benefit is 1, it helps in better blood pressure. Then 2, it lowers cholesterol. 3, it reduces the risk of heart health. Then 4, it relieves cold and flu. 5, better athlete performance. Then 6 is stronger bone. 7 is improves memory. 8, it vitalizes your skin. Then 9, it quells inflammation. 10, it supports your immune system. Then 11, it reduces blood clotting. Then 12, it detoxifies heavy metals in the body. Now, let's get to ginger. This is a typical example of ginger, as you can see on the screen. The local name is ginger or the ginger root, as we are all familiar with. The scientific or the botanical name is the Zingiber officinale. Then we have its nutritional value. Then the principal nutrient in ginger, the nutritional values it contains, then the percentage of recommended dietary allowance. We have the fat, we have the saturated fat, we have the protein, we have the total carbohydrate, we have the dietary fiber, then we have the sugars, that is the total sugar, the vitamins contained in ginger. We have the vitamin E, then we also have the niacin, that is the vitamin B3. We have the vitamin C, then we have potassium and sodium. Those are the vitamins contained in ginger. Now let's talk about the minerals contained in ginger. We have the iron, we have the calcium, then we have the phosphorus and their nutritional values and percentage of RDA per 100 gram of ginger. Now, health benefit of ginger alone, being used as food or being used as remedy, it alleviates symptoms of cold and flu. 2, it soothes mild nausea and morning sickness. Then 3, it relieves pain. 4, it calms the digestive system. Then 5, it supports heart health. Then 6, it reduces cancer risk. We have the 7th, it relieves menstrual cramps. Then 8, it reduces inflammation. 9, it lowers blood sugar. Then 10th, it soothes an upset stomach. The last one is it supports cardiovascular health. Now let's talk about the lemon individually. Now this is a typical example of lemon, as you can see on your screen. Its local name is lemon, as we all know. Then the scientific or the botanical name is Citrus lemon. Then the nutritional value of lemon per 100 gram. We have the nutrients or the principal nutrients, the nutritional value and its percentage of recommended dietary allowance. We have the water, then we have the energy, the protein, we have the total fat, we have the carbohydrate, we have the total fatty acid saturated, then we have the total fatty acid mono unsaturated, then we have the total fatty acid poly unsaturated, then we have the total dietary fiber, we have the total sugars. These are the vitamins contained in the lemon. We have the vitamin C, also known as the ascorbic acid. We have the thiamine. We have the niacin. We have the vitamin B6. Then we have the vitamin A, that is REE. We have the vitamin E, that is the alpha tocopherol, also known by that. Then we have the vitamin A international unit. We have the folate DFE. Then we have the potassium. We also have sodium as the vitamins in lemon. Now let's talk about the minerals contained in the lemon. Now the minerals contained in the lemon, we have zinc, we have calcium, we have iron. Then it also contains phosphorus and also magnesium. Their nutritional value per 100 gram and their percentage of RDA per 100 grams. Now let's talk about the health benefit of using lemon alone individually as a remedy, as anything you could think of as daily intake. One, it promotes hydration. Then the second is it's a good source of vitamin C, and we all know the benefit of vitamin C in our system. Then 3, it improves your skin quality. 4, it aids digestion. The 5th one is it freshens your breath. Then the 6th, it prevents kidney stones. Then the 7th, it lowers the risk of stroke. 8, it controls blood pressure. 9, it helps in cancer prevention. Then we have the 10th, it prevents asthma. 11th, it boosts the immune system. The 12th, it helps in weight loss. That is lemon, ginger, and garlic. Their nutritional values, their benefits used individually. Now let's combine these 3 nutritive ingredients to form one powerful medicine or remedy. From a certain age, a large majority of people suffer from cardiovascular problems and must quickly undergo treatment to cure their pathology. However, before we get there, it is possible to prevent these health problems in a natural, economical way and without any side effects. Now, let's talk about the impressive potential benefit of eating or using garlic, ginger, and lemon together, or using this combo as one remedy. Now, the first benefit is it burns stubborn fat. If you are one of those struggling to slim down and get rid of that unhealthy belly fat, here is a natural home remedy, perhaps one of the best drinks that will boost your weight loss. 2, it reduces stomach ulcers. That is the peptic ulcer. It's being controlled by ginger, garlic, and lemon. Then 3, the common cold. 4 is headache. The 5th one is heart attack. Combining garlic, ginger, and lemon helps in getting rid of heart attacks. Then the 6th one is heart problems. Any problem, enlargement of heart, anything affecting the heart, this is your remedy. Then the 7th is blood cleaning. This remedy helps in blood cleaning. It cleans your blood and makes sure all the bad things accumulated in your bloodstream is gotten rid of. Then the 8th is sexual weakness. Taking this remedy improves your sexual stamina and ability. Then the 9 is kidney failure. This remedy helps to prevent kidney failure. It detoxifies the body, remove all the fat surrounding the kidney, stop all those kidney stones and the rest, and help to strengthen your kidney. Then 10, it fights against sterility in both men and women. The 11th is it eliminates fatty deposits accumulated in the body. 12. It cleans the arteries and lower cholesterol. This remedy significantly decreases bad cholesterol known as LDL and increase the good cholesterol known as HDL. Then the third thing is it prevents the formation of thrombus. Garlic, ginger, and lemon prevent the formation of thrombus. We have the fourth thing, which decrease blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, this is your remedy. Then the 15, it improves the functioning of the liver and strengthen its depurative function. Then we have the 16th benefit. It improves kidney function, which helps to fight water retention better. Sometimes you may be feeling some swollen feet, swollen arms, and a lot. That is what we call water retention, as you can see on the screen. Taking this remedy cure this ailment. Then the 17th, we have better blood circulation. This remedy helps the blood to circulate smoothly in your system. The 18th is it reinforces the immune system and helps to increase its natural defenses. Then we have the 19th benefit, prevention of the appearance of tumors. Whether the tumors is in the system, wherever the tumor will appear, this remedy will cure it very easily. The last one, that is the 20th, is antioxidant power that renews and rejuvenates our cells. Your cells are rejuvenated and renewed when you take this remedy. These are the amazing 20 benefits of garlic, ginger, and lemon being put together in simple one remedy. Now let's talk about the materials or the ingredients needed for this powerful combination. Now, depending on the quantity you want to prepare and the amount of ingredient to use, assuming we are preparing 2 liters we are using 2 liters of water for this preparation, we have to get 4 organic lemons, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 centimeters of fresh ginger, then 2 liters of mineral water or spring water. Then there are certain things you need to note when it comes to this combination or this remedy. The first one is the aspect of the lemon. You can decide to peel your lemon, or you can use both the lemon and the peel, cut it pieces and put it into your drink. This is because it has been found out that lemon peel and most other citrus fruit skin have more than twice the amount of nutrients and vitamins compared to the fruit pulp itself. So you cut your lemons into pieces, then you dip it into your tea with the peel. Then the second thing you should note is whenever there is a remedy that is made up of boiling, please use the pot. Do not use the aluminium, silver, or whatever metallic anything. Use the pot for the boiling, and this is a typical example of a pot as seen on the screen. Now let's get to the preparation. This is what to do. You take the 4 cloves of garlic and the piece of ginger, then you make a fine paste of these 2 ingredients. Now you take the 2 liters of water, you pour it into the pot, and then you bring it to a boil. Now after boiling that water, you add your garlic and your ginger paste to the boiling water on the fire. After this method, you let it boil for a few minutes, about 5 to 10 minutes. one thing you should note: do not let it exceed this minute. You let it exceed, you end up destroying most of the nutrients contained in the garlic and the ginger. That's why the water is to bring to boil before adding those ingredients. After adding the ingredients, you turn off the heat. Then you place the lid on the pot and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. The pot sold at the market, some and a lot have the lid. Please get the lid of the pot. Do not cook it in a pot, then you use aluminum lid to cover it. No, use the pot lid. Then you strain the tea into a glass cup. After simmering for 10 minutes, you just strain the tea into a cup, and then you add your lemon, either cut in pieces and dip into it, or you just cut it and squeeze the water onto the tea. Now your drink is ready to be consumed. You have made the most powerful combination that can cure virtually 20 diseases in our system. And for best result, try to drink this concoction water on regular basis. Let's say thrice a day. That is morning, evening, and afternoon. You drink this concoction on regular basis. Now, one thing you should note about this remedy is you can drink this juice without boiling and using fire. All you have to do is you just get your paste of ginger and garlic, then you squeeze the lemon as a water and you just drink it raw. But for the sake of those with sensitive stomach, you just have to get the whole remedy, some heat treatment. You just boil the whole remedy to get some heat treatment for about 5 to 10 minutes before you use it, because those three combinations are very high acidity ingredients, and combining all of them, taking them raw, may affect your stomach. Some people can take it raw and some cannot. You know your system and use it to your benefit. Herbal remedies do not have a lot or maximum side effect, so always make sure whatever you are using, if you are experiencing a lot of side effects, you just have to put a stop to it, or you ask for more information about whatever you are using. And one thing, do not bottled lemon juice. Now we are completed with the video, and I hope you have gotten your benefit, and that your neighbor, that your sister, your brother will also get his or her benefit out of the video by you sharing it and getting it reach to them. Always remember, you have to prevent the disease before it gets to the cure. Maybe you won't be fortunate enough to get the cure as early as it can be cured. And one amazing thing about herbs is that herbs takes nothing from you, but always give you whatever you need to live a healthy and a successful life. And with Serious Destination, just name the disease and you are cured indeed. Share to save a life of another. That someone needs your help to be cured. Share so that the person can thank you at the process. All your comments and contributions are welcome. Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe to the page so whenever we bring a new video, you will get it and benefit out of it. Serious Destination is just equal to Light of Hell. Stay tuned. Thank you.